Okay, CL4-125. The shapes at right are similar, so these shapes are similar. Hopefully you guys can see it on your screen. I know the numbers are a little small, so you might have to follow with your textbook. But the first question, I know this is poorly labeled, but the first question, let me actually change this. The first question asks, excuse me, what's the scale factor? Well, the scale factor we talked about, I can't remember which chapter, I believe it was actually this chapter. Earlier in this chapter, we talked about the ratio being the copy to the original. Okay, so the copy, we just need to look for any corresponding sides. Hopefully you remember that vocabulary word, corresponding sides. I believe here are corresponding sides. We have the 6 and the 18. So let's go and put the copy is 6 and the original is 18. And of course we want to simplify that to 1 over 3. So the scale factor is going to be 1/3 or 1 over 3. And then again, this is kind of poorly labeled. This should be B. Okay, find the sides labeled X and Y. So X is right here. Well, we know that the scale factor is 1 to 3. We know that the original is 8. We know that the copy is X. Okay, so we have to figure out how we get from 1/3 to X over 8. So I think what we should be doing is we should look and see, okay, 3 times what is 8? So 1/3 times 3 times what is 8? Okay, I know off the top of my head, 3 times 8/3 is 8. So we multiply the top of 8/3. So X is going to be 8/3. Okay, so X would be 8/3. Okay, and as far as Y, again, let's go and write the ratio. I'm sorry, the scale factor, which is 1 to 3. The original is going to be, sorry, the copy is going to be Y. The original this time is 5. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to use the giant one. 1/3 equal, 1/3 times, this should be times, what equals Y over 5. So 3 times what is 5? Well, 3 times 5/3 will be 5. So 1 times 5/3. Okay, so Y is going to be 5/3 because 1 times 5/3 is just 5/3. So Y is going to be 5/3.